Well, our bulkheads and frames have dried, and we can start assembling the whole frame. But first let's cut out all the parts. By the way, check out the video of the construction of the King George V battleship on my channel, if you haven't already. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a warm like. First I'll assemble the upper part of the frame, adding bulkheads to the keel frame. Well, now it comes the crucial moment. We need to attach the upper part of the frame to the lower deck. It's important to do this evenly. Now we'll do the same with the lower part of the frame. First assemble it and glue with bulkheads and keel frame. Then attach the lower part of the frame to the lower deck. Don't forget that everything should be even, and the position of the upper frame should match the lower one. So, the frame of our hull is ready. In the next video, we'll start sheathing the ship. Stay tuned for updates.